हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम बैक टू लिम्बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट फिजिक्स ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के अंदर आपका फिर से स्वागत है। स्टूडेंट, हमारे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो फिर से लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। स्टूडेंट, आज हम देखने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर 3 करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के अंदर मीटर ब्रिज टॉपिक के बारे में। मीटर ब्रिज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज के बाद मीटर ब्रिज आता है एंड नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट meter bridge. Now let's talk about the meter bridge to find the resistance to use meter bridge. Meter bridge working on the Wheatstone bridge concept. So now we will see connection galvanometer, resistance box. This is unknown resistance. This is resistance box. This is jockey, and meter bridge is one form of Wheatstone bridge. It consists of thick strip of copper of negligible resistance fixed to the wooden board. There are two gaps G1 and G2 between this strip. So two gap G1 and G2. A uniform magnesium wire AC of length 1 meter whose temperature coefficient is low, stretching along a meter scale, and is and are soldered to two copper strips. An unknown resistance P is connected in the gap G1 and a standard resistance Q is connected in the gap G2. So meter bridge, a metal जो कि J is connected to B. J is connected to B through a galvanometer G and a high resistance HR, and it can make connect at any point on the wire AC. Across the two ends of the wire, Lagrange cell and the key are connected. Length L1 and length L2 adjust the point of metal jockey on the meter bridge wire. So the portion AZ, AZ and JC of the wire now replace the resistance R and S of Wheatstone bridge. Then R resistance PQ, length P equal to L1 EJ and length L2 equal to JC. So P by Q equal to R by S. Capital R equal to R into AZ. R means resistance and length AZ, and S equal to JC, and AZ by ZC equal to L1 by L2. So P equal to Q equal to L1 by L2. Through the connection between the resistance are made by thick copper strips of negligible resistance, and the wire AC is also soldered to such a strip. A small error will occur in the value L2 by L1 to the end of resistance. End of resistance start from A and end from C. Now we will talk about this error can be eliminated if another set of readings P, Q interchanging the average value of P is found. Provide the balance J. Now we will talk about determination of the specific resistance. The specific resistance of a metal of wire is determined by knowing the resistance P, capital P, and radius small r, and length will be capital L. of the wire using the expression rho equal to P into pi r square divided by capital L. So simulation will be, now we'll talk about determination of temperature of coefficient of the resistance R1 and R2 are the resistance of a given coil of wire at the temperature T1 and T2. Then the temperature coefficient of the metal determined using alpha equal to formula divided R2 minus R1 divided by R1 into T2 minus R2 into T1.